A factory where AI autonomously makes decisions and operates without humans is no longer a story of the distant future. KAIST has introduced KAIROS, the world's first unmanned factory platform operated by AI. Reporter Joe has the story.
In a factory without a single human, multiple robots perform their assigned tasks. From collaborative robots assembling products to logistics robots moving items along the ceiling and floor, they move organically as if they were a single body. This is KAIROS, a 100% unmanned factory platform based on physical AI.
By linking production and logistics with AI, it makes intelligent decisions organically on a moment-to-moment basis and can control all facilities.
Only when a problem occurs, a single manager steps in to communicate and issue commands to the AI system via voice.
Visually, there is no carrier on Shuttle 6, but the system shows a carrier is registered. What is the situation?
Since the system detects a carrier but you mentioned it is actually absent, a misdetection by the loading sensor is suspected.
A safety management system is also in place, which halts facility operations if a worker violates safety rules. All these functions within the factory were implemented entirely with domestic technology.
The system you see here was made with 100% of our own technology at KAIST. We have shown that South Korean companies can now establish this systematic framework.
The research team aims to export this K-unmanned factory model overseas within the next 2 to 3 years. This is TJB News.